Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the language on your Apple TV so that you can fully immerse yourself in your favorite content. You may find the answers to your questions about how to change language on your Apple TV in this section. This part will provide you with a basic how-to for utilizing Apple TV language settings to change the menu language. It appears that changing the language of the menu will affect the menu, default apps, and home screen. To change the language displayed on the screen for alerts and menus, take the following actions. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV box first, then navigate to the apps area. Step 2. Then, tap on the Settings app from the apps displayed on the Apple TV screen. Step 3. Click on the General tab and then select and click on the Apple TV language option from the list. Step 4. Choose the language you want to set from the list of more than 30. That's it. In this way, you can easily the language on your Apple TV. However, most streaming services offer built-in language preferences within their app settings section which can be accessed through their respective menus. For more updates, subscribe our channel and press on bell icon.